I've woken up to a new ChatGPT feature, and this is how you can interact and chat via voice with ChatGPT. So when you open up your ChatGPT app, if you haven't already installed it, install it on your phone. It's a great functionality that you have here. You will get prompted to add a voice, which I did this morning and I wasn't here to show you, but I'm now going to show you where you can find it once you've set that voice up. There's a little headphone icon. This headphone icon is the conversation between you and chat. And then you can start your little chat. It's going to pop up. She's listening. So now we're going to ask ChatGPT to please come up with some blog post ideas for a marketing consultant when they want to help small business owners take their business to market.
Absolutely, I'd be glad to help with that. Here are some blog post ideas for a marketing consultant focused on assisting small business owners. 1. The basics of branding. How to build a strong brand for your small business. This post can dive into the fundamentals of branding and why it's essential for standing out in a crowded room.
So there we go. ChatGPT's come out with those ideas. I can continue to have a conversation with my chat and we can get started from there. But how cool is that? That's a really handy feature within ChatGPT. And I'm about to head off to the Working with the Media presentation today. I'm going to use this technique with a few of our attendees for press releases and see how they go with it from there. Have fun playing with this new ChatGPT feature.